Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Fedora Linux 44 KDE Plasma desktop edition. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Fedora Linux 44, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website. It is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18.4. Click on download or click on download, both are same. Then select Linux. Then click on this Red Hat Rocky or Alma Linux. See here, the PostgreSQL repository currently supports Fedora. Okay. Then select the version, Fedora version 44. Then select the architecture. Then select the PostgreSQL Server version. 18 is the latest one. See, once you selected, it populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed. Okay, run these commands one by one. Copy it, open terminal, provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL 18. If you want to install 17, give 17 -server. Hit enter. Type a confirmation and hit enter. Again. See, we are installing PostgreSQL Server 18 and these dependencies. Type a confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now we have to run these commands one by one. First, it is going to initialize the database. Then we are going to enable and start the PostgreSQL Server service. So copy one by one and execute. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. You don't give version, it won't work. So we have to give version number. See, PostgreSQL Server is installed, but it is not started and service status is disabled. So start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. You don't give version number. See, we are unable to. Okay. Also enable it. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is enabled and it is running. And also, see here, these are the PIDs for PostgreSQL processes. This is the data directory, logger, IO worker, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher, and logical replication launcher. Okay, Q to quit. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server 18.4, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL Server. It is PSQL client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. So we have installed PostgreSQL Server 18.4. Now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. So first we will list of users /tu. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having super user privilege. You can also get the list of the users by running select user username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. Alter means the above alter user statement executed successfully. Control A. Now verify list of databases. See, we have these three databases comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. We can also get the list of the databases by running the command select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default database. Okay. Now create database. Create database. See, we have created database bank. Q to quit. Control A. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or connect then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, you don't have any tables. Now create table. See, you have created table. See, we have created table in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Create user. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Here David8123 is the password. Now verify. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL Server with this user. To exit, we have to use /q PSQL -h localhost, because PostgreSQL Server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then username is David -d means database. We have the database Postgres. We have to provide this password. Okay. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current _user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission and for table customer, because we have created user, we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Fedora Linux 44 KDE Plasma desktop edition. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -18. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL Server is inactive or dead. We have stopped it 4 seconds ago. If you took it, we can also verify the same by trying to connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. So exit from the current user. Start it again. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -18. See, we have started 2 seconds ago. If you took it, control it. Now we'll restart. Sudo systemctl. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. If you took it, control it. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL Server by using PSQL client. Okay, but we can connect PostgreSQL Server by using the pgadmin or db. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Fedora Linux. Okay, the last option that I want to show is how to find the data log and config files locations. So connect it. Show config_file. Show HBA_file. This file contains PostgreSQL Server configuration parameters, and this file contains host-based authentication rules. See, both are in the same directory. Now find the data directory. Show data_direct. See, all three are in the same. Okay. So log_direct. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install configure PostgreSQL Server 18.4 on Fedora Linux 44 KDE Plasma desktop edition. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.